Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're stepping into the realm of Nikon, uncovering the top 5 best Nikon cameras of 2024. From stunning landscapes to dynamic portraits, Nikon has been a pioneer in the world of photography for decades. And in 2024, they're pushing boundaries like never before. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your photography journey, these cameras are poised to revolutionize your shooting experience. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Number 5. Nikon Z6. The Nikon Z6 bears a striking resemblance to its counterpart, the Nikon Z7, in terms of exterior design, but it lacks some of the premium features found in its higher-tier sibling. With a resolution nearly halved at 24.5 megapixels, there's a noticeable difference, but for most photographers, it remains perfectly adequate. Interestingly, this decrease in resolution renders it particularly suitable for astrophotography, as it reduces the likelihood of high ISO image noise. Operating on a full-frame sensor, the Z6 boasts a rapid stills capture rate of 14 frames per second, 4 times faster than the Z7. Additionally, an enhanced buffer allows for up to 200 consecutive JPEG images, or 124 12-bit uncompressed RAW images in a single burst, exceeding the needs of most users. Featuring flexible video frame rate recording and RAW file output via HDMI, including ProRes RAW at 4K 30p Ultra HD, the Z6 caters to hybrid shooters and filmmakers alike. Moreover, it can be powered through USB-C by an external power source, facilitating extended filming sessions while simultaneously charging the battery. Although the Z6 has been succeeded by the Nikon Z6 II, which boasts refinements in handling, an upgraded image processor, and the addition of 4K video at 60 frames per second, we opted not to include it in this list. While these enhancements may be important to some users, we believe the Z6 offers better value for money, as the upgrades may not necessarily justify the higher price point. Number 4. Nikon Z30. For aspiring vloggers and social media content creators, the Nikon Z30 emerges as the ultimate camera choice. Its lightweight, compact design ensures effortless handling, while its user-friendly features cater to the specific needs of vloggers, video creators, and streamers, all without compromising its photography capabilities. With a 20.9 megapixel resolution, the Z30 excels in still photography, boasting the same advanced 209-point autofocus system found in higher-tier models, complete with eye detection functionality, ensuring swift and reliable autofocus performance for both photo and video shooting. As a dedicated vlogging camera, the Z30 excels in video recording, offering pristine 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, along with slow-motion capabilities in Full HD. Additionally, its functionality as a high-resolution webcam is a boon for live streamers seeking professional quality footage. Equipped with a convenient flip-out touchscreen and a built-in stereo microphone, the Z30 streamlines the vlogging and streaming process, delivering high-quality audio to complement your video content. Moreover, the microphone sensitivity is adjustable, and the camera features ports for external audio devices for added versatility. Ideal for long-form video recording sessions, the Z30 boasts an impressive maximum video length of over 2 hours, making it suitable for capturing a wide range of content, from interviews to musical performances. Setting up live streams is hassle-free, with the Z30 offering plug-and-play connectivity via USB-C cable to a computer, eliminating the need for additional software downloads. The USB connection facilitates full HD streaming at 60 frames per second, ideal for gaming enthusiasts, while an HDMI cable enables 4K streaming at 30 frames per second. Despite being an entry-level camera, the Z30 surprises with the inclusion of image stabilization, albeit basic, enhancing both photo sharpness and video smoothness, ensuring quality content creation. In conclusion, the Nikon Z30 stands as the ultimate camera choice for vloggers and content creators, offering the perfect blend of user-friendly design and specialized features tailored for optimized video content creation. With its affordability and impressive performance, the Z30 represents a valuable investment for enhancing your online presence and content quality. Number 3. Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 stands out as the ultimate Nikon camera tailored for beginners. Its compact and lightweight design, coupled with excellent ergonomics, ensures ease of use, particularly appealing to younger novices. Moreover, it encompasses a plethora of features that ignite creativity and imagination. Featuring an APS-C sensor boasting a robust 20.9 megapixel resolution, the Z50 surpasses most smartphone cameras by a considerable margin. The resulting images exhibit exceptional clarity, intricate details, and vibrant colors. Surprisingly adept in low-light conditions for an entry-level camera, it offers a broad dynamic range, enhancing versatility. Powered by a swift and precise autofocus system comprising 209 points, the Z50 swiftly locks onto subjects and tracks them seamlessly across the frame. The inclusion of an eye detection AF feature further enhances accuracy, particularly beneficial for capturing portraits. Vloggers and videographers will find the Z50 equally captivating, thanks to its capability to record stunning 4K video footage and offer slow-motion options in full HD resolution. Features like the flip-down LCD screens simplify self-recording, enhancing usability. For those inclined towards creative photography, the Z50 offers a built-in time-lapse photography mode and a diverse array of picture controls, filters, and effects, all adjustable in-camera, eliminating the need for external editing software. With seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, sharing images across devices becomes effortless, allowing for instant uploads to social media platforms directly from the camera. In essence, the Nikon Z50 encompasses everything a beginner could desire, boasting a plethora of creative features that deliver outstanding results. Additionally, its compatibility with a wide range of Nikon Z lenses further enhances its appeal, making it the ideal starting point for any enthusiastic novice. Number 2. Nikon ZFC. If you're seeking a camera that's sure to catch attention, look no further than the Nikon ZFC. With its captivating retro design reminiscent of classic 35mm Nikon cameras, this model is bound to turn heads. However, its allure goes beyond aesthetics. The Nikon ZFC delivers exceptional photo quality as well. Similar to the Nikon Z50, the ZFC features an APS-C sensor boasting a resolution of 20.9 megapixels, supported by Nikon's X-Speed 6 processor, ensuring impressive performance. The nostalgic design isn't just for show. Tactile controls on the camera body harken back to analog cameras, providing a hands-on experience cherished by many photographers. These controls also facilitate learning basic exposure adjustments. Featuring a 209-point AF system, the ZFC minimizes missed shots, while its eye detection feature enhances portrait photography. Additionally, its subject tracking functionality proves valuable for capturing moving subjects. Capable of capturing stunning 4K video, the ZFC appeals to filmmakers, while vloggers benefit from its vari-angle LCD touchscreen. Furthermore, its webcam functionality enhances its utility for live streaming. With a built-in stereo microphone, the ZFC enables audio recording without external equipment, although it offers ports for connecting external microphones and headphones for superior sound quality. While lacking a built-in flash, the camera includes a hot shoe connector, along with in-camera effects and filters. Moreover, Wi-Fi connectivity facilitates swift media transfer and sharing. As a quintessential Nikon mirrorless camera, the ZFC stands as one of the brand's most popular models, thanks to its blend of timeless design and modern features. Its appeal is undeniable. Number 1. Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 emerges as the top contender among Nikon cameras, seamlessly integrating the finest features from the esteemed Nikon D850 and flagship Nikon Z9 models. This amalgamation results in a camera boasting unparalleled adaptability and performance across various photography domains. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic novice, the Nikon Z8 promises an exceptional shooting experience, yielding stunning outcomes. Equipped with a 45.7 megapixel sensor, the camera delivers intricately detailed stills and remarkable 8K video footage. It supports raw image capture and a diverse array of video codecs like N-Log and ProRes RAW HQ, catering to the needs of videographers. Additionally, its impressive burst shooting capability of 120 FPS caters to the demands of sports and action photographers, albeit with a slight compromise on image quality at such high speeds. The autofocus system operates swiftly and dependably, adept at detecting both human and animal subjects even in low-light conditions. Enabling the starlight view feature dramatically extends the detection range down to -9 EV. Furthermore, the inclusion of a night vision mode, which dims the rear screen and electronic viewfinder while utilizing red pixels exclusively to preserve night vision, renders the Nikon Z8 an excellent choice for astrophotography enthusiasts. What's more, the Nikon Z8 offers all these remarkable features at a price point approximately $1,500 lower than its flagship counterpart, the Z9. This price difference solidifies its appeal, making it an enticing option for professionals and discerning photographers alike. While it remains a significant investment, if your budget permits, the Nikon Z8 is certain to exceed expectations and elevate your photographic endeavors to new heights. Alright, that's all for today's video, guys. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.